Hello, Eleni Shiamtanis here and welcome. Thank you for being here and a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all. Today I'm going to do a lovely bloom. I'm going to use blues and purples and turquoise and some gold and some TLP shimmer colours. So I'm excited. I've got a new pouring medium which I'm trying out. It's for the blooms. It's the Sherwin-Williams Pro Matte 200 or something. It's not the one that the Shelley Art group uses, but it's the one that I can get my hands on, and it actually looks really good. So we'll see how it goes, and I'm excited. Let's go make some. So here are my colours. I have Greenish Blue by Amsterdam and TLP Shimmer and Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. I have Velvet by TLP, Ultramarine Blue by Crawford and Black, and TLP Lagoon, 24 karat gold, and my cell activator, which is Oxide Black with Overtrol, which is the English Flowtrol, and water. So I'm just going to add my pillow paint. I'm going to start with my greenish blue. Shimmer, which is like a gold shimmer. Permanent Blue Violet. And Velvet by TLP. Ultramarine Blue by Crawford and Black. Lagoon by TLP. .24 karat gold. And a little bit of cell activator. So here I'm using the end of a brush to do some swirls and designs on the board. Unfortunately, the board is slightly off site, but you do see some of it, and you'll see it all at the end, and it looks really lovely. So here we are with the close-up. Wow, I love it. I didn't know what I was going to do with this. I'm not brilliant at blooms, and this is the first one I'm doing with the untinted base paint as a pouring medium. I still haven't got the varnish, but I use the varnish that I can get, and I really love it. I think with the modifications it works out well, because my cell activator, I still can't get Australian Floetrol, so I just use that Amsterdam oxide black with just water and a little bit of Owatrol, which is the British Floetrol, and it does make some nice lacing, but it's minimal, which I don't mind. I don't want the lacing all over, because then it just gives you the chance to modify and get more creative. I just love the lines there. I love this bit here. I love the wispy bits that I've created with the end of the brush. I love all of it. I love this part here. I love the shimmer. And I hope this dries well. Looks like an under the sea kind of scene, doesn't it? Let me know what you think. If you want to see another video like this, tap the screen on the left, and I'll see you in the next video.